Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce stress with Netflix investments easy tutorial step by step. Start by finding a comfortable space where you can relax and focus. Ensure you have access to your Netflix account on a device of your choice. Begin by browsing through Netflix's vast library. Look for a genre that resonates with you, such as comedy, drama, or documentaries. Consider selecting a show or movie that you have wanted to watch but haven't gotten around to. Once you find something, take a moment to read its synopsis and reviews. Pay attention to the duration of the content you choose. Opt for something lighthearted if you're looking to unwind. Press play and immerse yourself in the storyline. Make sure to adjust the volume to a comfortable level to enhance your viewing experience. As you watch, allow yourself to disconnect from daily stressors. Avoid multitasking, focus solely on the content. If your mind starts to wander, refocus on the characters and plot. Take deep breaths and let any tension leave your body. Feel free to pause if you need a moment to reflect or grab a snack. Enjoy moments of laughter or emotional connection as they arise. After your viewing session, take a few minutes to process your thoughts. Consider journaling or talking about what you watched with a friend. Reflect on how the content made you feel and any insights you gained. Use this experience to remind yourself of the importance of taking breaks. Make it a routine to dedicate time for Netflix once a week as a stress reliever. Creating a positive viewing habit can significantly help in managing stress levels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.